Guys, this is super exciting. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Xbox 360. You remember that once upon a time, a white box like this that looked much like a toy in a way? Guys, in all seriousness, what can you do with this box today? We're gonna talk about that, and yeah, actually, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. We better get started, alright, because there's a whole lot we need to cover in this video. Let's get into it, alright? Hey, how's it going, guys? Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming. On this channel, you'll find PC components, tech gadgets, and console accessories, as well as product reviews. So if you're interested in that, yeah, consider subscribing in this video. We're gonna talk about this old Xbox 360. So much nostalgia going on here, guys, but anyways, right, so my initial idea was to make a video to show you guys some of the great stuff that you can do with your OG Xbox 360, but the video became way too long, so I decided to split it up into two parts instead. So here is the kind of the first part where I simply unbox the machine and try it for the first time in over 10 years time. So the next video will be where I go over all the interesting things that you can do with this machine if you have a spare one laying around collecting dust, etc. But yeah, with that said, let's jump into the unboxing. And oh, by the way, for some reason the original packing was sort of missing, probably was thrown away in the moment of the very first unboxing. But yeah, anyway, let me know if you own one of these. Share your greatest moments in the comments, cause I want to know that, guys. Anyway, let's go. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna try and do this sitting down style. Now this might just be a struggle, but we see how it goes. I might just have to stand up, but the microphone is pointed in a way that makes it super dope for me. I want the voice to be as clear as possible. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see me. I'm sitting, yeah, you see part of my microphone. Anyway, don't let the box fool you, because this is the newer Xbox 360. As you clearly can see, Microsoft actually released a bunch. I think it was maybe 4 or 5 different 360s throughout its life span, so to speak. And look at this. Remember that one? Yeah. Me neither. Alright, now on the top of this box, obviously this is not the Xbox that we gonna unbox, but anyway, see here we got a few logos here. Xbox Live, Facebook, wanna update your status on your machine, with your controller? How convenient, right? We got Soon, remember that one? And we got Twitter as well. Everything is supported by this machine. On the back of this box, look at that. People enjoying themselves. That looks very nice, by the way. And look at that, the old dashboard. Do you remember that? And I think we are witnessing the Kinect in full play. And there's Halo Reach as well. Now let me know, guys, your favorite 360 game. I want to know. On this side of the box, we got a few more things going on. Microsoft were selling a total of 3 different bundles here. I'm not really sure why we are going through this, but I find it very interesting. Anyway, we're gonna dig into the box in just a second, guys, but look at this. We got 3 different bundles. We got the Kinect, of course, that apparently a lot of people bought. We got the 251 and we got the 4 gigabyte one. I remember a friend actually buying that one. Guys, I want to know in the comments below, did you own one of these? Did you own the Kinect as well? Let me know, share all your details. Now let's dig into the box. Let's see what we got. And boom, just like that, we got the OG white Xbox 360, just like that, without its missing cap, head, hat. But we gotta install that in just a second. Let's dive deeper into the box. Let's start with let's start with the head. All right, Look at this, the old hard drive. This is what it looked like. It says HDD. Doesn't tell us anything about the size. Let's see, let's have a look at the back. Xbox 360 hard drive, Microsoft Corporation, Redmond, blah blah blah, Washington. Doesn't say anything about the size at all. I believe this is the 20 gigabyte, because this is the first ever. I remember buying this on day one. Glorious moment altogether, standing in line, you know. It was an open event. Now let's see if it still fits. Oh, just like that. Ah, what else do we got? Let's dive even deeper. Dive even deeper. Look at this. Are you ready for this, guys? In 3, 2, 1. Boom. You can call this a brick. I wouldn't hold it against you. I mean, what the hell were they thinking? I mean, how do you hide this away? It is impossible. I don't even want to guess how much this weighs, but it's heavy, that's all I can say. Look at this. What is this? What is this? What a huge connector. Anyway, guys, we gotta dive deeper. So we got a bunch of cables here. This is the rest of the that goes to the power. This is interesting, and we're gonna talk a whole lot more about this cable. But look at this, you have two modes here. You got TV and you had HD TV. When the 360 came out, HD TV wasn't sort of obvious to people, so Microsoft have to ship this with the two different modes, so you can switch between traditional TV and HD TV apparently. And yeah, this is just a mess. Look at that, huh? Can you believe what we had to go through back in the days? Jesus Christ. All right, so Jesus, sorry for that. Yeah, we also got a network cable here as well. But anyway, that is the unboxing, guys. Now we gotta try this thing, see if it works. And yeah, I'm gonna move the angle. And since this is an old cable, I can't connect it to my monitor here. I'm gonna have to hook it up to my traditional TV instead. So I'll be back in a moment. All right, time to see if the box actually works. All right. Yeah, that's it. Everything hooked up and ready. I got the controller here with me as well. Now, I haven't tried this for about 10 years, so I am as excited as you are. Let's do this together. 3, 2, 1. Let's just wish. Let's not hope for Red Ring of Death now. That would be so depressing. Guys, I think it's alive. I hear sound as well. 1 second, guys, 1 second, bear with me. What are you up to? What are you up to, component? Alright, let's try this again, guys. I decided to hook it up with my receiver instead. Still no screen. What the F? Alright, guys, we're gonna be back in 2 seconds again. Hold your breath, alright? Alright, guys, 3 out of 3. I think I have sorted out. Let's see. Come on, don't disappoint me. Yes, there we go. Look at that. 1080p, 60 Hertz. This is actually nuts. Look at that. Remember that shiny logo? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Remember that dashboard? The one that got away. Let's see if I can get the controller to work as well. How do you do this? Pairing. Alright, fantastic. Alright, that's good old me. I am completely blown away. So we got that Xbox, what is this? Xbox Music. Obviously I need to connect this to the Xbox Live, of course. Let's just have a look at the settings super quick, guys. I'm super sorry for this awkward angle. Sorry guys. I'm super sorry. I wanted to connect this through the Elgato, but I couldn't because of the lack of HDMI, of course. Let's see. So we got 1080p here. Wow, so you can actually go 720 and 480 as well. All right, now look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Are you sitting down? I think you actually need to sit down, because look at that. Look at this. Boom. 13.1. And the hard drive is almost occupied with 145 megabytes left. How were you able to survive? I don't know. So we got a couple of games and apps installed here, but this is just, remember guys, this is just savings and DLCs, I believe. Look at that. So we got a 5.2 gigabyte from Assassin's Creed 2. What is that? Is that the game itself? Yeah, I remember that now. You could actually install certain games that you played a lot to minimize the loading time. But look at that, we got Facebook here. I can't imagine. Why? Oh, we got another game here as well. Hitman Absolution. So many great memories. Look at that. We got Mass Effect 2 demo. Super small in size. What else do we got? NBA 08. Remember that? Probably not, right? Oh, Need for Speed Hot Pursuit. I love that game. NHL 09. Project Gotham Racing 4, Project Gotham Racing 2, so many great games here, obviously, right, probably the best co-op game of all time, Resident Evil 5, highly oh, look at that, Rock Band 1 and 2, and Skate 3, Jesus, Jesus, and look at that, Toy Story 3, when you thought you couldn't get any worse. And we got Soon as well, guys. You know what, just gotta cut it. Now let me know in the comments, guys, do you have an old Xbox 360 laying around? Are you still using it, and for what reason? And what are the cool things in your opinion that you can do with it? And yeah guys, just gotta cut it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, until next time, have an awesome day, alright? Bye!